Welcome back to another CoderCookies Code Minutes video. In this video, we'll be talking about Lambda in Python. What is a Lambda? A Lambda is a small anonymous function that can only contain one expression and has no defined name. So, let's get right into using Lambdas. Let's say I wanted to write a small function that takes a number as an input and doubles it. I wouldn't want to write an entire function for that, so I could use a lambda. So let's say we create a variable called doubler, and we assign it to a lambda, with x being our input, and we return 2 times x. Note that this is the lambda, this is the input, and this is our expression. If we were to print doubler with our input as 4, what do you think it would print? You guessed it, it would print an 8. So let's demonstrate this. And there you have it, it prints 8. How cool is that? There are so many other ways lambdas can be used, with one example being in other functions. So, let's say I had a list A which consisted of a list of tuples. So let's say I had 5, 2, 10, 3, 2, 7, and 11, 8. And I wanted to sort this list A based on the first numbers in each of the tuples. You guessed it, I could use a lambda. So, let's go ahead and print sorted, which sorts the list of A. If I were to try doing this, it would give us an error, since sorted doesn't know which number to choose in these tuples. So what we can do is we can add a key parameter, which is equal to, and then we can create a lambda function. So we can create lambda of x, and then we can provide x of 0, meaning that we want to sort this list based on the first numbers of each tuple. If I were to run this, we can see that the list A has successfully been sorted based on the first numbers of each tuple. Now let's finish up this video with a quick example. Let's say I had a list B. Once again, a list of tuples. So 3, 5, 7, 8, and 4 or 3, 10. And let's say I wanted to take the list B, and for each of the tuples, take the second number and multiply it by 2. Well, you guessed it, this could be achieved by using lambda. We're also going to use the map function, so if you don't know how to use the map function or haven't seen it, be sure to check out the CoderCookies video about the map function. So, let's go ahead and print a list, and then we can use the function map, with the first parameter being our lambda function, with x being the input, and then we can return another tuple where we keep x of 0, the first element, the same, and we multiply the second element, x of 1, by 2. And then we can pass our second parameter, which will be the list, so B. If we were to run this, we can see that each of the second numbers in the tuples have been multiplied by 2. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned a lot about lambdas in Python. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to ensure you don't miss any other future videos from CoderCookies. Thank you!